Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to TNV Academy. Today we delve into the realm of cybersecurity standards focusing on ISO 27017. ISO 27017 is a specialized extension of the broader ISO 27001 standard tailored specifically for cloud service providers and cloud customers. Let's explore its scope and purpose. The scope of ISO 27017 encompasses a wide array of security controls and best practices specifically tailored for cloud environments. It addresses various aspects of cloud security, including but not limited to governance and risk management. ISO 27017 provides guidelines for establishing governance structures and risk management frameworks tailored to cloud environments, ensuring that risks associated with cloud services are adequately identified, assessed, and mitigated. Compliance and legal aspects. It outlines measures for ensuring compliance with relevant laws, regulations, and contractual obligations in the context of cloud services. This includes data protection regulations such as GDPR and HIPAA. Data classification and handling. The standard offers recommendation for classifying data stored in the cloud based on its sensitivity and implementing appropriate access controls and encryption mechanisms to protect it from unauthorized access or disclosure. Identity and Access Management (IAM). ISO 27017 emphasizes the importance of robust IAM practices in cloud environments, including measures for user authentication, authorization, and privilege management to prevent unauthorized access to cloud resources. Incident response and business continuity. It provides guidelines for developing incident response plans and business continuity strategies specific to cloud services, ensuring timely detection, response, and recovery from security incidents or service disruptions. In summary, ISO 27017 plays a crucial role in enhancing the security posture of cloud-based information systems by providing a comprehensive set of security controls and best practices tailored to the unique challenges of the cloud environment. By adhering to the guidelines outlined in ISO 27017, organizations can effectively mitigate security risks associated with cloud services and ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and availability of their cloud-hosted data and applications. Thank you for your attention, and if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.